Alright, so currently we just pulled up to the place where we're gonna be getting our boat's name put on there. Shaq has set this up, so I don't really know much, but I'm hoping we get to I don't see why we wouldn't, but hoping we get to pick out, the design and stuff. We're here at Stripes Signs and Graphics here in Melbourne. We met this guy the other day, linked in with him, and he's got a ton of connections for boating stuff, so this is where he's sending us. So let's see what this is about. Thank you, sir. Hello. Good.
It's me, man.
Hey, how you going? Shaq.
Nice picture, man.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Beautiful, man. Something that has a little bit of character.
Yeah.
Its own little, but at the same time still legible.